Laser dot registration. First, print. I use in landscape mode. I print the landscape mode picture with the crop mark. I call it origin crop mark. I insert in the cutters before I need to power on the machine. The head move up and back. I place manually the pen tip just over the crop mark origin. Just over the crop mark origin. After that, I press the button OK. That's meant that my new origin is exactly on the crop mark origin. Now, the next step is to place the laser beam. To light the laser beam, you must press the test button. It's hard to see the laser beam when we have too much light. With the software for the calibration, the idea is to move the laser beam over the origin crop mark, and we measure the distance with the software on X and Y axis. That's the philosophy behind the calibration. The calibration is the distance between the blade tip or the pen tip and the laser beam position.
We have on the screen two color outline, one red, the small one, and the blue one, the biggest one. Click the register button. To calibrate, we need to use the arrow to move the laser beam over the crop mark. I can use the high precision motion or can use fast motion. Beginning by fast motion, okay. If I click the left arrow, if I click the down arrow, now I can use high precision. Just check mark high precision and click. The dot disappear, that means it's over the crop mark. The dot is just over the crop mark. We have a correction factor 400, 740. Now I just write here 400, 740, and I press a minus sign in the front. If I need to test it, the blade move up the corner. If I press text again, the blade move, the laser dot move up the corner. That for this machine, the correction factor is 400 on X and minus 740 on Y axis. Click the X button, exit the control panel.
You power on the machine. You press the test button to light up the laser beam. You press the offline mode to come in offline, and with the you move the laser dot very near the crop back button, and you press the OK button. That's the new. See the cut project icon. Continue anyway. Register. Your correction factor is here. You just use high precision motion. You just over the corner. Click the next step. We have a slight deviation because due to the media on the table, I use the right arrow to correct the deviation, maybe the down arrow to correct the media shrinkage. Now I move next step, the third dot. Normally, it's not necessary to make a correction. It's appeared that a small shrinkage I use. It's not necessary, but if you need a very high precision, you have no choice. And next step, to go to the origin. Now we are ready to cut or to test. I can cut by color, or I can cut the blue outline or the red outline. I can cut by object also. I can select an object and select object. I only select one. I press start. You come back to your origin. That means you can cut another object. Maybe I can cut maybe the red of this object. Selected object is red. I click the start button again. Now you cut your outline flush to the drawing. Without effort, you can make a very good work. The precision of this is about 12,000 or 0.3 millimeter without effort. Thanks for watching.